Hello guys, this is a video on a remote control car race car track, and this is a car called the Thunder Tumbler, in case you want to buy or something. And this is our dog named Nico. Okay, so let's get started. This is the hard part right here. This part's hard because it's barely steep enough to be able to make it. We finally did it, but we weren't able to catch it on camera. He barely was able to do it. It's slick. This is also hard because it's barely small enough to be able to make it. And we're finally done. So this is the end of the video, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye.